Okay, I'm in the checking account and the main menu, and I'm going to click on Reconcile Accounts to reconcile this checking account, and I will put in the date of February 1st, and I will put in the end date of February 28th, and the starting balance you would put here, and the ending balance, and then you would click submit. And when you do, then you would check off the different items that cleared the bank, and you can hit your down arrow and space bar to designate which ones cleared. Once you're down to 0, you can click submit, and it will process the reconciliation, and then when you come back to checking, you'll see that the little X's are here to show that that's been reconciled. And from there, you can also see a history of your reconciliations, and there are instructions here. And that's it. Thanks for watching.